Hey guys, this is John from WaltonsInc.com and this is Meatgistics. So I was at my local grocery store recently and I saw that they had some Waygu steaks on sale for about $6 a pound. Now they're flank steaks, so generally they're like a London broiler or something, but I couldn't pass up, so I bought a few of them. I'm gonna take one of them, grind it up, and I'm gonna play around with that in burgers and a couple of different meats and see which one I like the best. But for these, I wanted to see once and for all what's better, reverse sear or sous vide cooking. Now, quick recap for everybody who didn't watch one of our previous videos. We found out that sous videing it does give it a perfect cook. Absolutely perfect pink throughout, and you can set it to whatever doneness level you want. I've always liked the reverse sear method, and I still think there might be just a little bit better appearance and crust when you reverse sear. So, we've weighed them both. They were both exactly 15 ounces. I'm gonna vacuum seal this one, put it in the sous vide cooker for about 2 hours. We found that there's a sweet spot of somewhere between 2 and 6 hours for sous videing. That really gives you the best results. Anything too far past that, you almost kind of run into like a roast-like product. Now for the reverse sear, I'm gonna put it on my grill at 215 degrees. I'll leave it out there for about 45 minutes. That'll get it to somewhere internal temperature of around 120 degrees. Then I'm gonna take that one off. I'll kick my grill all the way up to 500 degrees and I'll put this in a foil wrap, just lightly tented, just to let the meat nap while the grill is coming up to heat. Then I'm gonna throw them both on at the same time and we're gonna go ahead and weigh which one retained more of its juice. Then we're also gonna rate it on its appearance, its taste, and how tender it is. And for both of them, we're gonna use the Excalibur Ultimate Steak and Roast Rub. We love this stuff, we put it on everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that all done and we'll be back in a bit. All right, so we're back, we took them off the grill. Now, you can see the one that we sous vide is a lot more plump, but when we weighed them, they both lost only 2 ounces. They both started out 15 and are now 13. So not really any difference there. I can say that this one did take longer to get it to crisp up and get any bark. That's part of the sous vide process, I'm guessing. Just from a visual look, I definitely prefer the reverse sear look over the sous vide one. As far as cook goes, let's see. Oh yeah, no, that's perfect. I mean, that is just absolutely perfect. Even pink throughout with just a little bit of bark. And if we cut in, yeah, that's pretty perfect too. Less of a bark, so more all the way through. I mean, it's a millimeter, maybe, a centimeter or so over here, and there's almost none on this. So from appearance, I'm still gonna give it to the reverse sear. Now let's do taste. Waygu is just so good. If I had any other seasoning, I wouldn't have put it on a piece of Waygu. I just do salt and pepper, but Ultimate Steak and Roast Rub is really just so awesome. So that's incredible, just absolutely amazing. And now for the sous vide. It's amazing too. From a taste and tenderness, there's really not a difference. They're both obviously amazing ways to do it. I mean, if you look in the middle there, you can see there's no bark. That's perfectly cooked throughout. Now I like mine medium rare, maybe a little bit more on the rare side. So, you gotta take that into account. But if you like it a little bit more well done, you can either just up the temperature on your grill or up the temperature in your sous vide cooker. All in all, I'm gonna say I like the reverse sear method still a little bit more. Now, I'm a bit of a traditionalist, so that's probably part of the reason. And also, I just think it gives a nicer look to the steak. I mean, I would love putting that down on a plate in front of a guest. I think they'd be blown away with it. This still looks good, but you might get some people with, a little funny look with how soft it looks up top. So either way, you're not gonna go wrong with either a sous vide or regular ribeye, anything like that. Both of these are amazing methods for cooking steak and really should be one of the only 2 ways you do it. As always, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and visit WaltonsInc.com and Meatgistics.com to find everything but the meat. Thanks for watching. I'm John with WaltonsInc.com, and I'll see you guys next time. Subscribe to Walton's YouTube channel to watch more amazing videos, or shop at WaltonsInc.com to find everything but the meat. Check out our latest sales and giveaway video here, or watch another hand-picked video by clicking here.